Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I hope you are all in a good condition. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Siska Husnun Afifah, with last student number 23 as the moderator who will guide the presentation of Group 7 from Class 2A with the topic of classification of matter. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Lisa Tania as a lecturer who has guided us so that we can complete our group project assignment to fulfill the mid-semester examination, the English for Chemistry course. I also want to thank all friends who have clicked on our video to watch to the presentation that we will present. Before proceeding to the topic that we will present, I will introduce the members of Group 7 first. Group 7 members are Kartika Tiara Putri with last student number 01, Andea Fabiola with last student number 15, me, Siska Husnun Afifah with last student number 23, Nur Ifna Haryati with last student number 31, and the last, Reni Savitri with last student number 79. As I mentioned earlier, our video presentation raised the topic of classification of matter. The subtopics that we will discuss are definition and kinds of matter, definition of single substance, definition of elements and examples, definition of compound and examples, definition of mixtures, definition of homogeneous mixtures and examples, and the last, definition of heterogeneous mixtures and examples. Okay, I will explain the first subtopics, which is definition and kinds of matters. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Everything can be seen, liquid and solid, or invisible, namely gas. The meaning of matter occupying space is that objects can be placed in a certain space or container, while matter has mass, meaning that objects that are included in matter can be measured using certain tools. Chemically, matter can be grouped into single substances and mixtures. Substances can be divided into two groups, namely elements and compounds, while the mixtures are grouped into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Next, I will explain the second subtopic, which is definition of a single substance. A single substance is a form of matter that has a fixed composition and characteristic properties. For example, water, gold, oxygen, and table salt. A single substance can be distinguished from other single substances based on its composition and can be identified by its appearance based on its properties, smell, taste, shapes, and others. Single substances can be grouped into elements and compounds. That's the explanation of the subtopic definition and kinds of matter and the definition of a single substance from me. And the next subtopic is the definition of elements and examples, which will be explained by my friend Andea Fabiola.
My name is Andea Fabiola. The last number student 15 will explain the subtopic element and example. Element is one of the lesson learning in chemistry. A chemical substance consists of the certain element. Element is the chemical in the chemical substance. In chemistry, an element is the list displayed in the periodic table. Until now, the number of the elements in the periodic table is 118 elements. In the periodic table, elements are the matter that is symbolized by a chemical symbol. There are no basic ingredients that make up everything. There is no substance that cannot be broken down into reaper substance by ordinary chemical process. The simplest particles are atoms. There are 118 known elements. Of the 118 known elements, 94 are known naturally on Earth. The first letter of the symbol is not always capitalized. The second letter, if any, is written in the lowercase. Example, the most abundant element in the X crust is oxygen, while the most abundant element in the entire planet is believed to be iron oxygen. On the other hand, hydrogen is the most abundant in universe, followed by helium. The next subtopic is the description of molecule, and example which will be explained by my friend Nur Ifna.
Alright, I'm Nur Ifna Haryati, NPM 211-3023-031 will explain the material about compounds and example. Definition of compounds and example. A compound is a substance composite of atoms of two or more elements chemically bonded in fixed radius. Chemical compounds will retain their identity during physical change, but can be separated into their compound elements through appropriate chemical change. For example, hydrogen gas burns in oxygen gas to form water. A compound whose properties are very different from those of its constituent element. Water is composed of 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen. This arrangement doesn't change, no matter where the water comes from. Unlike spiked mixtures, compounds can only be separated by chemical means into their pure elements. Why do compounds enter into single substance? Isn't a compound made up of 2 substances? Compounds are made up of 2 or more substances, but keep in mind, the compounds form a new substance. That is, although it consists of several types of substance, this substance will form new substance with new properties as well. Example such as sodium, which is explosive when reacted with water, and chlorine, which is very toxic, fuses into table salt, which doesn't explode when reacted with water and is also non-toxic. Well, this table salt is a compound, not a mixture, because sodium and chlorine have become a unit which forms a new substance called table salt, which has new properties too. Well, that's the material about compounds and example that I can explain. The next material will be explained by my colleagues, Kartika Tiara Putri.
Okay, I'm Kartika Tiara Putri with student number 2113-023-001. I will convey material about mixture, types of mixture, and example. Definition of a mixture. Mixture is a substance or material in the form of a collection of 2 or more single substances that are formed without going through a chemical reaction. The substances that make up a mixture do not have a fixed composition, meaning that we can form a mixture by mixing various substances in an irregular ratio. The original property of the substance that make up the mixture are still visible, so that the components that make up the mixture can be recognized. Example of mixed substance in everyday life are sweet tea water, which is a mixture of hot water, tea powder, and sugar. There are 2 kinds of mixture, namely homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. The first is a homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture whose constituents are perfectly mixed, in which every part of the mixture is the same. The color, taste, and ratio of the mixed substance are also the same, and there is no boundary between the components. In a homogeneous mixture, the constituent substance cannot be distinguished, the solution is said to be a homogeneous mixture because physically the single substance that composes the mixture is not visible. A single substance that is mixed melted into a single unit so that the eye cannot see it. Example are air, salt water, syrup, brown, brass, steel, or solution, and other. The air will be breathed contain nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Meanwhile, the syrup that we can drink is a mixture of water. Well, that's the material about the definition of mixture and the definition of a homogeneous mixture along with example. That's enough I can convey. The next material will be explained by my friend Reni Savitri.
Okay, I'm Reni Savitri with NPM 211-302-3079. I will explain material about definition of heterogeneous mixture and example. Meaning of mixed substance heterogeneous. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture of two more substances, but the constituent substance can still be clearly distinguished as mixed type heterogeneous. In practice, heterogeneous mixture have two types of mixture, namely suspension of colloid. Suspension is from coarse heterogeneous mixture occurring between the dispersive piece in dispersing medium. One example heterogeneous mixture of suspension is sand and water colloid. Colloid is from heterogeneous mixture of between or more substance particle. Particle in colloid in small size. Example, in heterogeneous mixture of colloid, ranging of liquid, solid, and gas.
That was the presentation of Group 7 from Class 2A about classification of matter. We are so sorry if we made any mistakes. Last words, thank you and see you later.